E160 form, you have to select first of all your country and residence. After that you have to select captcha, you have to write captcha in the application, new application, then agree. After that you have to select name. After that you have these step, personal your informations, then travel information, you have to give full travel information, when you will going, when you will return, travel companion if someone going with you. After that your previous travel history, address and phone number, you have to give your full detail. Passport detail, you have to give your complete passport detail. After that US contact, you have to give where you will stay there and what activity you will do there. After that you have to give your family information. If you have wife, you have to give wife informations and also your parents informations. After that you have to tell work and your education, your employment history, you have to write education training, you have to tell what your education's highest education degree, you have to write complete information. After that you have security questions, you have to read all security questions, then you take, then after that you have to add photo at the last, then you have to go US travel, you have to go there, then you have to log in or registrations. If you don't have account, you have to create account, your email address. After that your first name, your last name. First name is the given name, the last name is the surname. Okay, password you have to create, you have to remember, keep remember password, confirm password, I read and submit. After that you can take appointment here, and with supporting documents you can go to attend interview. Be confident when you give interview, tell the all information correct. Okay, no need to nervous.